Alright, write an equation of a line in a slope-intercept form that passes through 0, 4, and 2, 9. So again, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, b is the y-intercept. So we just need to figure out what the slope is. That's the easiest thing to find. Remember, that's rise over run. So how much did it rise when it went from 4? Remember, the rises in the y's. So it went from 4 to 9. That's up 5. You'd always subtract them to figure out what that is if you're not sure, if you can't do it in your head. And then in the runs, it went from a 0 to a 2. So that's 5 over 2. So that's their slope. They were both positive because they both went up. So now we have y equals 5 halves x plus b. And we can solve for b. However, there's actually a little trick in here. Remember that a y-intercept, the x value is always, you can see if you trace that down, the x value is always 0. So the x value here is 0, so it's actually telling you right away what the y-intercept is. The y value is 4. So we know actually that b is 4. However, if you were unable to do that, you would want to, or if you were unable to, if you didn't think about that, you would instead plug in an x and a y, one of those 2 points. I'll do the 0 and the 4. So we'd say y equals, since y was 4, we'll say 4 equals 5 halves x is 0 plus b. Alright, 5 halves times 0 is just 0, so we have 4 equals 0 plus b, which means that 4 is b. So finally, our final equation is y equals 5 halves x plus